What if a storm hit tomorrow and you couldn't get to the grocery store? Most people immediately worry they don't have enough food. But here's the surprising truth. Most households have more food available than they realize. The problem isn't always a lack of food, it's a lack of confidence in using what we already have. That's where the Pantry Challenge comes in. It's a simple exercise designed to prove you're more resourceful than you think. The rules are simple. No shopping, no delivery, no borrowing ingredients. You can only use what's already in your home. Now spend a few minutes exploring your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. Just look and take inventory. You may discover canned goods, frozen vegetables, pasta, rice, eggs, sauces, or leftovers you completely forgot about. Now choose a meal and make something edible. Remember, this isn't a cooking competition. Perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. A simple meal that feeds your family is a success. One powerful lesson in preparedness is this: you don't need perfect conditions to make progress. You simply need to start. After the meal is finished, write down what you made and the ingredients you used. This creates a valuable record. The next time you're unsure what to cook, you'll already know one meal that works. Take a moment to reflect. Did you have more food than expected? Were there ingredients you wish you had? Knowledge beats assumptions every time. When you understand your real resources, you make smarter decisions. Small actions build confidence, and confidence is one of the most important preparedness tools you'll ever have. You're no longer wondering if you could make it work. You've already proven that you can. Now share your experience with friends or family. Challenge them to try their own pantry challenge. Preparedness isn't about fear. It's about confidence, creativity, and learning to work with what you already have. Start your pantry challenge today. If you want more simple drills like this, visit readywhenitcounts.com and start with the 15-minute fixes. Because preparedness doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be practiced.